Fundamental quantity, a physical quantity that does not depend on any other quantity, i.e. it can be measured without taking any other quantity into consideration, is called fundamental quantity. Length, temperature, mass, etc. are the examples of fundamental quantities. Derived quantity, a physical quantity which depends on other quantities, i.e. it cannot be obtained without taking other quantities into consideration, is called derived quantity. Heat, velocity, acceleration, etc. are the examples of derived quantity. Unit of measurement, the standard essential for any measurement is called the unit of measurement. For example, meter is the standard essential for measuring length, Kelvin for temperature, Newton for force, etc. Fundamental unit, the unit which does not depend on or relate to other units is called fundamental unit. For example, the mass of a ball is a fundamental unit, kilogram, which needs no other unit for expressing itself. Fundamental unit applies to fundamental quantity. Derived unit, the unit which is not independent but takes other units is called derived unit. For example, the density of a ball belongs to a derived unit because it is obtained from the quotient of mass and volume, so the unit of density is kilogram per meter. 3. Derived units apply to derived quantities. Dimensional equation, the equation which expresses the dimensions of the physical quantities is called dimensional equation. For example, F equals mLT2, Vernier constant. The difference between the smallest main scale division S and the member of Vernier scale divisions N is called Vernier constant. It is obtained by dividing S by. It is important in measuring length because the length of an object, a rod, will not be accurate if Vernier constant is ignored. Least count, the distance through which the screw of a screw gouge advances when the circular scale is rotated through only one division is called least count, without which the diameter of an wire or a round object cannot be calculated accurately. Pitch, the distance through which the screw of a screw gauge advances along the linear scale when the cap T is rotated is called the pitch of the screw gauge. Its importance lies in the fact that the least count depends on it. Again, the diameter of the given wire or tiny round object cannot be calculated without least count.